Why do I feel like I linger between the...
Look like I might need to hit some light. Let me step over to the good light. Originally, I don't even think we had a vlog planned for today, but I'm in a cooking mood, so I figured why not give you guys a little bit of entertainment. You know, first of all, you gotta be running multiple things at a time. That's how you cook. See, I got those peaches in the back. We're about to simmer those. Once I bring those to a boil, simmer them boys. It's gonna be a wrap. But see, while that's going, I got my butter melting in the stove. So that way, once that butter is melted, that gives me exactly enough time in order to bring y'all back up. They give me exactly enough time in order to have these come to the texture and the consistency they need with putting the sugar in here and letting that thicken up a little bit. So we'll catch y'all in a minute. Let me go ahead and mix these ingredients up. You take it out about halfway through. And that way you're just ready once you finish doing everything you need to do. Take this about halfway through. It's gonna be right. Now it's coming that rolling boil. You get your top. Once we find it, right here. Drop the top on that boy. Give it about 30 seconds in order to maintain that, and then after that, you're gonna drop that heat from high all the way down to low. Then you're gonna let it simmer for 10 minutes.
Go back home today, until the very last hour. We still got a few more days to slay. It's gonna get so much louder.
But now that's butter melted, we got everything else that's ready to assemble, so let's get to it, shall we? Drop this off in here, like so. Don't stir. I'm telling you, it's gonna come out perfect. Just trust me and listen to me. As a matter of fact, stay tuned to the end of this vlog and just go ahead and watch out how this boy turn out. How about that? Instead of just trusting me, just watch me. Cause I'm trying to show you the key, the keys to the puzzle. You know what I'm talking about? Then we get these boys here. Woo! Yes, now we finna spoon these boys on that. Slide the spoon. Yeah. Now let's get it. My wife loves peaches, so y'all can use less as y'all choose, but hey, y'all can just hit this recipe up and fine tune it afterwards. I think that's the best thing to do. Tweak it yourself, but try it first how I recommend it. That way, it's better to start from somewhere and go backwards instead of trying to go up. Wait now. All you gotta do, put it in the oven. 350. Let that boy cook for 30 to 45 minutes, preferably until golden brown. So just keep your eye on it.
Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all.
You might be wondering, like, hey, where's Jazz? We didn't sign up for just you by yourself, but guess what? We're a package deal, so that's life. Sometimes one of us ain't gonna be feeling that great. Sometimes we both gonna be great. You know what I mean? That's how it goes. But she ain't feeling too well, and she's in the room actually editing a video to go up for y'all. You know what I mean? See, she that considerate. She ain't feeling that great, but she's still looking out for y'all. In the meantime, I'm getting another video for y'all to go ahead and check out. This vlog because this ain't gonna make it. So be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. anything y'all want to see for real. This was just a makeshift, you know, while Bae was over there getting her energy up, editing these videos. But sometimes I forget to close them out, so close out early. Be better safe than sorry. Peace.